Hey guys, what's happening? How to short on Kraken app. So we're gonna go ahead to our Kraken wallet, right? In shorting in Kraken app means you're gonna sell crypto. You're not trading as if like you're gonna sell the Bitcoin, for example, expecting the market will go down and then you're gonna take the profit off of it. No, you're selling means, and the Kraken wallet, to be exact, you're selling because you want to withdraw the money, right? You want to convert the Bitcoin or the Ethereum to cash, right? And you want to withdraw it to your bank account. So I'm gonna hit trade at the bottom right, and then I'm gonna hit sell, second option. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna select my asset, say Ethereum, and then you can enter the amount or in percentage wise. And I don't have enough in Ethereum. Let me go to Bitcoin, say 25%. So I'm gonna hit right here, continue, and basically go and hit confirm. Okay, now you have sold, or yeah, you have sold the Bitcoin to cash. Okay, you're gonna be able now to withdraw it to your bank account. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.